Let's talk about connectivity architecture. So when a connection from a server to a Azure SQL database, the client will connect to a gateway that listens on port 1443. And I want you to remember that port number because it's an important port number that might show up on your exam, okay? So over here on the right-hand side, we have a virtual machine connecting to various different SQL servers. And so the idea here is that based on the connection policy, the gateway will grant traffic and route access to the appropriate database. So we actually have three kinds of policies. We got proxy. So connections are proxied through a gateway, increased latency and reduced throughput, intended for workloads connecting from outside the Azure network. Redirect, which is mostly recommended, establishes a direct connection, reduced latency, improved throughput, intended for workloads connecting inside the Azure network. And default, which is just going to default, if you launch a VM outside the Azure network, it's going to use proxy. If you launch it within the Azure network, it's going to use redirect. So this port 1443 is only important when you're doing proxy, because if you're internal, you don't need to go through that port. There's no gateway to pass through. But yeah, that is just the different kinds of connection policies there.